spirits and liqueur manufacturing business, Port Lincoln, South Australia. This is a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the thriving and growing spirits industry. Air Peninsula Spirits produces award-winning gins and vodkas, plus a coffee liqueur ready to be launched. Not yet a distillery, there is great potential for a buyer to invest in a still and craft their own spirits on site. The business has a diverse portfolio, including the gold medal winning Trailblazer Gin as its flagship product. The sale includes all branding, marketing materials and licenses, making it a turnkey opportunity for a new owner. With an established customer base in the local region, there is potential to go national and online. The business currently operates from leased licensed premises with potential to add a distillery. There is also an exciting council-approved opportunity to open a water view cellar door or bar at nearby Boston House. With the brand already established, the new owner will inherit a business ready for scaling.